Today, we'll be looking at interesting animals called pterosaurs. Pterosaurs were an ancient group of winged reptiles that lived alongside the dinosaurs. Many pterosaurs were very large, some as large as a giraffe. Some had a wingspan of over 12 meters. Paleontologists have long wondered whether large pterosaurs were capable of powered flight. When I say powered flight, I mean flying by flapping their wings. Now, although some evidence suggests that pterosaurs were capable of powered flight, it's reasonable to think that large pterosaurs would not have been able to flap their wings fast enough to stay aloft for any length of time. But this is just a guess. Paleontologists have proposed two major theories that might support the premise that pterosaurs were not able to fly by flapping their wings, that they could only fly by soaring. First, some paleontologists point out that since modern reptiles are cold-blooded, ancient reptiles such as pterosaurs were probably cold-blooded as well. Cold-blooded animals typically have slow metabolisms and are unable to produce a lot of energy. Powered flight is an activity requiring a lot of energy, which is why all modern vertebrates that fly are warm-blooded, not cold-blooded. It doesn't seem likely that pterosaurs would have been able to generate the energy needed to fly. Second, all animals with powered flight are able to take off from the ground. For example, birds take off by jumping or running to gain speed and then jumping. But these methods would not have worked for the large pterosaurs. Large pterosaurs would need big, powerful muscles in their back legs to launch themselves into the air. However, we know from fossil records that their back leg muscles were small and weak. Too small and weak to allow the pterosaurs to run fast enough or jump high enough to launch themselves into the air.